cut the wood. You have to drill holes to fix it, you don't need many. And I'm just oiling one side of the wood before I put it down, just to protect it. Not a very long video. And then we can get the boards on. Well, screw these down, paint again, paint on top. That's just a bit of oil. And then do the rest. Got this all fixed. We'll put one joint here, and then on the next one, the joint will go there. Stagger it. Cut them, fit them, and we'll almost be there. Only the sides to do. I'm going to treat the wood as I go, which takes a little bit longer, but then that'll all be treated underneath the trailer. And I'll paint the back side of the boards when I do it as well. So there's a board, joint there. Going to oil it and then fix it down. Right, so we'll cut all the boards, painting the back of the boards, as you can see. I just got to get these ones done, cut now. Once we get them done, and that'll be almost boarded out. Super job. That's the floor done. Just got to slit a bit down to do this end. Not bad. And then obviously do the sides. That'll be another video. I won't be doing much more today. I've got to get these boards fixed down. Nice one. That's it for today. I'll bring you back when we do the sides. And that little strip down there we've got to fit.